Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Bitmart to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, managing your assets across exchanges is key, and this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Bitmart and Binance, and that your XRP is safely in your Bitmart wallet. Always double-check your balances before any transfer to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Look for your XRP holdings. Step 2. Select the Withdraw option for XRP. You'll see a form where you need to specify the details. Step 3. Choose the correct network for XRP. It's usually the XRP Ledger network. This is crucial to ensure your transfer doesn't get lost in the blockchain void. Step 4. Switch over to your Binance account. Go to the Deposit section, select XRP, and copy the provided wallet address. Pro tip: never share this address with anyone else. Step 5. Back on Bitmart, paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to check for any minimum withdrawal limits and fees. Step 6. Review everything carefully: amount, address, and network, then hit confirm. You might need to complete a 2FA verification for added security. Once the transfer is initiated, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Binance account for the funds to arrive. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify details to prevent losses. If you run into issues, contact the exchange support. There you have it. That's how to smoothly transfer XRP in 2025. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.